Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change region of Xbox account. So, let's get started. First, go to xbox.com and make sure you're logged in. Once logged in, go to your profile. Next, head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Account Manager. Click on My Microsoft Account. When you're on your Microsoft account page, click on your username. Here, you'll see all the information associated with your account, which is also used on Xbox. Scroll down until you see the Profile Info section. This includes details like your date of birth and control region. You'll notice your country listed here, which is used for privacy settings. To change your country, click Edit Profile. You'll now have the option to select a new country from the drop-down menu. After making your selection, hit Save and the change will be applied. This update will also reflect on your Xbox account. And that's how you can change region of Xbox account.